This is Pan Make blood bag refrigerator of 350 liters, approx 375 liters. Microprocessor based controlling. SS chamber inside 304 with 3 SS trays. Perforated trays so that the air circulation is maintained evenly. At any point you check in the chamber, the temperature will be same. This is with the glass door. This shows the present value. This is the set value. It is with the RTC, door open close alarm. All the LED indications are given. Alarm low high indication is there if the temperature exceeds the set value. There is this thermal printer. Instead of chart recorder, the complete data is printed. The timing interval or the logging interval can be saved in the controller as per the requirement of the user. With the menu driven system, it is with the password protection also. This is the set temperature. The person can set the temperature from 0 degrees to ambient. Then we have this printer setting, like the printer interval is settable in this. You can change the minutes at how many intervals you want the printing to get logged. Then we have this logging interval. There's internal log system also inside it with the 1000 logs. Right now it is set at 1 minute. Alarm again low and high temperature. You can set whether 5 degrees up or 5 degrees down. If the temperature deviates, the alarm will buzz and give the indication. This is the clock for RTC setting. If you want to change the password, you can use this feature and change the password. That is also there. And this exit menu. Complete body fabrication by laser.